With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So we have three questions here. What is glacial acid and why is it called so? So let's take the first question here. The first question is asking about glacial, how glacial acid is formed and why is it called so. So as we know that acetic acid, which are having 0% of water molecule are called glacial acid. So how it is prepared? As you know that we can easily prepare it by, suppose we have a acetic acid in bottle is containing acetic acid. What is acetic acid? This is ACOH. Okay, so if we refrigerate the bottle, if we keep the bottle in refrigeration, what we get what we get is, as we know that the melting point of acetic acid is high, melting point is high, so water will be freeze. So we have two forms of matter there. We have solid plus liquid as output. What we have? Solid is what we have? It is acetic acid. And what we have liquid? This is H2O, because acetic acid will freeze down because the melting point is higher, so it will freeze down and we can easily invert the bottle and we can have the H2O out. So after this acetic acid, the solid acetic acid is found. This solid acetic acid is having 0% water molecule, which means it is glacial acid. Okay, so let's take the next part of the question. Next part of the question says that what is vinegar and how it is prepared. So we have to tell that what is vinegar and how it is prepared. As you know that 5% of aqueous acetic acid is known as vinegar. Okay, and how it is formed, how vinegar is prepared? Vinegar is prepared by, we are having sugar plus starch, and we make this go through fermentation process, and when it is fermented, what we found is ethanol. Ethanol is found after fermentation, and we do again further fermentation. If I do again further fermentation, we will find vinegar here. So this is the process how vinegar is prepared. First sugar and starch fermented, we get ethanol, again fermented, we get as a vinegar. So this was the second part of the question. Let's take the third part. It is saying that the experimentally determined molecular weight of acetic acid in the vapor state is 120. Why? So it is said that acetic acid experimental molecular weight is 120. Why it is 120? As we know that acetic acid molecular weight is 60. This is, and if we do by experimentally, it is 120. Why it is getting doubled? So we have to state the reason why it is getting doubled. So this is the simple thing I'll say. When acetic acid is, here we have intermolecular hydrogen bond, this is OH, this is having double molecular bond CH3, Here you can see that this acetic acid is having intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding makes a formation of dimer. It is forming here dimer. And what is dimer? Dimer, what is the weight of dimer? Weight of dimer is 2 into 60, which we get 120. Okay, so why it is 120? Here you can see because of the dimer formation and intermolecular hydrogen s2 bonding. Okay, so we have stated the answer here. Why? Because of the dimer bond. I hope I answer all the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.